This is a very interesting video. It's pure magic. I created this website because one of my dentists asked me to create some kind of branding or the landing pages for her, and for mild issue, I visited her and she asked me to, not to pay but give her some kind of website or something for her clinic. So I designed this website. So I was just juggling with the idea and I tried different designs, but I am very lazy designer. I want to put least efforts into the design. I am more into the coding side. So I designed this idea super quick within 60 seconds, and of course on top of it I can improve it. How I did it, how this magic came up, I will explain here. Actually, this is the second recording I am doing, because in the first recording of the video I lost the voice records. So here you can see, there is a plugin called Dora AI, right, in Figma. So once you open your canvas, you go on top and you can select the Dora AI, and once you select the plugin Dora AI, it comes up like this. You need to have some account on it and it will show you credit over there. I have 40 credits right now, and you need to mention the prompt, the kind of like page you want to create, right? A simple prompt. So I gave a skincare product, a sleek bottle sitting on white ledge, any prompt you can give, and when you click on generate here, it will generate the entire web layout as well as the mobile responsive layout. It takes a couple of seconds, and then it creates the magic. So once you do that, you can see how the new design comes up. So it shows you these, so it completely shows you two options over there. So it depends on your credit, can show you four options and all, but I have, because 20 credit showed me two options. And then once you choose your option, it will fine tune it, regranulate, and then it shows you the final version of it. And it takes a couple of time. We can move forward and not wait for that. And now you can see how this part is coming up over there, and it takes maximum 60 seconds, not more than that. And of course, like on top of it, you can always change it if you want, but the kind of like uh, indirect work about choosing the fonts, colors and all, it created that in couple of seconds, right? As you can see, the kind of very fine-tuned image over there with, the common license. You can use this image, and if you want, you can change the image. If you have your own image, you can just replace it simply. So within a day, you can even do the front end of this landing page, and you can launch it on social media, or you can have your own websites. So the design work that takes 1 or 2 days by any good designer, it does all the work. So this is the situation right now. Imagine what will happen after 1 year or 2 years, because these kind of plugins and AI tools are constantly being refined and getting better and better. So this is the magic, and if it is not the magic, let me know in the comments if you know something better than this.